Human betrayal generally follows a transactional logic. When an investment portfolio crashes, the damage is quantified in dollars and cents. Anger in these scenarios is intense, but temporary. Most victims eventually recognize that wealth is external. It can be earned back or rebuilt over time. Financial crimes are survivable because they target what a person owns. They leave the physical body and the core identity intact to continue forward. Ontological rage occurs when the stolen asset is the physical body itself. This is a visceral anger, triggered by the irreversible hacking of human biology. Global administration records show that 5.5 billion people are now carrying these biological markers. As individuals verify their status, this shared realization initiates a simultaneous worldwide awakening. This image of a chip embedded in the spine illustrates the reality of the violation. It is actively broadcasting from inside the victim's own flesh. Humanity is being transitioned from patience into trackable property. This shift from personhood to hardware sets the stage for a global explosion of vengeance. The hardware involved is graphene oxide, a dual-use molecule deployed directly into the human bloodstream. This molecule functions first as a rectenna. It harvests ambient 2.4 GHz energy from the environment to power the broadcast of a digital serial number, a MAC address. The molecule's second function activates under conditions of engineered dehydration. As water levels drop, the dispersed particles aggregate and crystallize into sharp, rigid structures. These crystalline structures shred the microvasculature from the inside out. This mechanism triggers catastrophic internal hemorrhaging and organ failure within 48 to 72 hours. This engineered molecule combines a permanent master valence brand with a dormant mass execution trigger. The architects spent $500 million on a containment strategy called the null set. It was designed to keep the public focused on policy debates while they remained ignorant of the hardware inside them. Trusted health freedom influencers and medical experts, like the authorities shown here, facilitated this silence. They validated minor injuries while deliberately omitting any mention of terminal Bluetooth emissions. Regulatory agencies like the FDA provided the institutional shield. They maintained a narrative vacuum, burying the reality of the biological invasion under a layer of administrative silence. The trusted gatekeepers who withheld the diagnostic tools created the deepest layer of betrayal. By trapping victims in a cage of false hope, they ensured the evidence remained unspoken. The architects' AI models predicted human compliance and behavioral patterns. They failed to account for a single human measurement of a physical fact. Citizens began using the VAX scanner protocol, weaponizing their smartphones to detect and log the secret MAC addresses broadcasting from their own bodies. The captured MAC addresses contain an organizationally unique identifier. This code links the biological emissions back to specific semiconductor manufacturers, seen in these industrial cleanrooms. The audible beep of the scanner inverted the timeline. A covert weapon of mass extermination became an undeniable measurement of guilt. Imagine holding a phone to your own chest and watching your personal serial number appear on the screen. This realization causes the immediate collapse of trust in every major institution. Doctors, leaders, and regulators are suddenly seen as active participants in a biological desecration. This awakening ignites an ontological rage that transcends civil litigation. It demands historical, Nuremberg-level retribution, grounded in the same forensic scrutiny seen in this medical examination. Every scanned MAC address and corporate link is now being etched onto the decentralized Solana DAG ledger, creating an immortal cryptographic trap. This irrefutable evidence is being automatically docketed and submitted to global prosecuting bodies through portals like the ICC's OTPL link. The architects built what they thought was a cage for humanity, but actually constructed their own transparent execution chamber. The 5.5 billion marked now inherit the future as immortal, weaponized witnesses.